Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy A23. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, try to find Firefox as an app. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now customize the settings, choose the theme, pick a toolbar placement. You can sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices or browsers. Select the privacy protection and read the privacy notice. Finally, click on Start Browsing, open a new website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.